The sky over California was flawless, an endless blue stretching like a promise when everything went wrong. At 9:14 a.m., two U.S. test pilots, Captain Reed Lawson and Lieutenant Mark Hale, lifted off for a high-altitude experiment that should have lasted only an hour. They sent one final radio check, calm and confident, and then silence swallowed them. Minutes later, radar lost their aircraft completely. No distress call, no signal, no liberty. It was as if the jet had slipped out of the sky and vanished into thin air. Control room officers stared at blank screens in disbelief. This wasn't turbulence. This was an equipment failure. It made no sense. News spread quickly across the base. Engineers rushed to recheck data. Commanders issued emergency protocols. Families gathered with trembling hands, desperately scanning the horizon for any sign of the aircraft. And overhead, the perfect blue sky gave no clue at all. A search began across the Mojave Desert. Rows of vehicles, drones, helicopters slicing through hot wind. For hours there was nothing. No smoke, no trail. The desert seemed to swallow every answer. Some feared the worst. Others refused to give up. Then, late in the afternoon, a rescue team spotted something faint, a piece of reflective metal half buried in the sand. They followed the trail deeper into a rocky canyon, with a landscape dipped just out of radar reach. And there they found them. Reed and Mark sat beside the intact but powered-down aircraft, alive though shaken. A sudden system blackout had forced them to make an emergency glide landing in the canyon. Their radios had failed on impact, leaving them completely cut off. When the rescue team arrived, Reed laughed weakly through tears. "We thought we were shouting into the wind." Mark added, "We knew you'd come." The base erupted in relief as the pilots were flown home. And California learned again that even when the sky gives no answers, hope still searches until the lost are found.